Welcome to Seals on the Move. I'm Alex Seals.
And I'm Rosie Seals.
Today we're in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee at Rowdy Bear's Smoky Mountain Snowpark. I try out the power coaster and the laser gun coaster, and we take a trip to the gift shop. So let's get a move on with Seals on the Move. Aside from the power coaster and the laser gun coaster, there's also axe throwing, snow tubing, and a playground. The park has the world's first power coaster according to their website. The laser gun coaster is North America's first Alpine flyer. Rowdy Bear is a sister park in Gatlinburg called Rowdy Bear Mountain Adventure Park. That park has an Alpine coaster and a mountain glider. If you're in the area, then give the power coaster a try. From what I can tell, the mountain glider at the Gatlinburg park looks like it would be more fun than the laser gun coaster. So you pull this thing all the way back to go faster. Oh man, this is fun. This is so much fun. And there is no power to this thing, which is really cool, and you control every single part of it. And I'm going as fast as I can, because that's a lot more fun. Oh wow. I'm enjoying this. The only problem is my arm's getting a little, holding it a little bit awkwardly. So let me adjust, and now we'll go faster again. There we go, now I've got it good. We are going downhill at a fast rate. And this is a ton of fun. This is definitely worth the probably $13 that it cost. Woohoo! This is awesome. I love it. Love it, love it. And I'm supposed to release, it says. So I'm releasing. There we go. There we go. And you got a little advertisement and a snow bear. And it's Rocky Mountain Snowpark. So here we are, back at the beginning. A lot of fun. You have fun? I did. It was a lot of fun. It's called the Snow Mountain Coaster. It was really fun. You control how fast it went, kind of like when on a motorcycle, the brakes on a motorcycle. That's kind of what that was. It was very similar to that, which on the mountain coaster, the single rail one in Anakeesta, you actually had more of a joystick. I liked this better, although I had to get my hand more in a good position so I didn't feel so awkward. But it was a ton of fun. You could go so fast. There was a hill, there was a tunnel, which you can see right over there. There's the tunnel. But yeah, just thrilling, exhilarating. I would have to say, comparing it to Anakeesta though, the Anakeesta one was a bit more fun because it was just straight downhill. And that's what made that one more fun. This one was cool though, because you could control it on more of a level surface. And I'm not sure if the Anakeesta one would work like that. I would give this a seals of approval. If you're gonna come here, definitely do the Snow Mountain Coaster. If that's not the right name, we'll have the name of it down below, at least earlier in the video so you can see it. But yeah, that one's definitely a thumbs up. There's also here a playground for kids. That's, you have to pay to go. There's snow tubing, and in the spring, the snow tubing turns into just tubing. So it's more like riding down a slide on a tube. There's axe throwing, which you might be able to hear it in the background, people slamming wood with axes, but we'll try to show you a little bit of it before we leave. So yeah, definitely seals of approval for the mountain coaster.
So you'll be shooting at those snowflake targets right up there.
Okay.
They'll flash white when you get one. It'll say nice shot.
Okay.
You can keep up with your score on this side.
Okay.
Now, if you get a high score of 4,500, you do get a free ride at our sister location at
Awesome.
Gatlinburg.
Okay.
You guys get unlimited ammo, so.
So here we go. Ooh, this is fun. It's not that fast, but it's not that slow either. I can't see a laser beam, so that's kind of makes it difficult, but it told me I got a nice shot, so that's good. Okay, let's see. Ooh, cool tunnel down there. I guess that's for the other coaster. It's really hard to tell where I'm shooting. It almost needs like a scope or something. And there's a poor little bear, he's getting stung by bees. I guess I'm not hitting any, because I'm not getting any notification, but look how high up we are, it's kind of cool. There's some targets. I don't think that's supposed to be part of it, the construction thing. This is fun, and I just don't know how well I'm doing. Woo! A little jerky. Not bad. And I like how you can see the other rides as you're going through. Well, there we go, I hit it. So yeah, just there's no aiming thing, and it's not telling me I'm getting a nice shot. Whew, very, very jerky. But it feels good out here. It's supposed to be like 76 degrees out today, but I'm not completely sure what the temperature is right now. It's not 76 yet. Oh, look, a little bluebird. And there's the Rosie down there. Going over the tunnel. And there's the playground for kids. There we go, I got one. Don't want to shoot Rosie. Definitely don't want to shoot her. I'm not sure, let's see. Looks like 1,000? So this was really fun. My biggest complaint about it is that you could not see where you were aiming. There was no kind of scope or anything like that, so it was really hard to know what you were hitting. There's no kind of laser beam coming out, kind of like in Laser Chase. I think there is kind of like you can see a thin little laser. So that was my biggest complaint. You were so far away from the targets, but it was fun, a little jerky. I think it cost $26 for this and another one of the coasters. So I'm assuming it's like $13 for one ride. Might be a little bit much for this, but it was fun. I liked being high up. It wasn't fast, so if you're not into fast coasters or being up high and being fast, it wasn't fast at all, and you're really focused on trying to hit those targets. So it was okay. I would give it probably a half of a seals of approval, not quite a full one. So there's the snow tubing. It is still snow tubing. It's the beginning of March right now, so they'll eventually, I think, probably later this month, turn it into just regular tubing. And over there, they've got axe throwing, which we're not gonna do today. There you go, Rowdy axe throwing. As usual, Rosie's found a buddy. This time it's a bear snowman, or I guess a snow bear, but not a polar bear. They've got Disney music playing in the background. So we're here in the gift shop. They've got some Rowdy Bear merchandise. You can get sweaters, hats. That's with the caps and gloves. Little Santa Claus. They even have the Queen of Pigeon Forge herself, Dolly Parton. Ooh, handmade ornaments. That's really cool. Stickers. Those are unique kind of souvenir items. Got all sorts of sweatshirts. And then you got some license plates that are more like Tennessee and bears. And some, looks like knitted caps. That's cool. Bears. Rowdy Bear. Yeah, it's a nice little small beach shop. Bear crossing, that is something I've, in a Gatlinburg Pigeon Forge area, I've seen maybe 3 or 4 bears in person. Then you can also get ice cream here.
We hope you enjoyed this episode. Which coaster looked like more fun to you, or have you actually ridden them? Let us know in the comments. If you like this episode, give us that much desired thumbs up. Share this video with your adventurous friends, subscribe to stay up to date with future content, and strike the bell icon so that you will be notified when we upload videos. If you would like to support us, our Patreon link is down below. As always, thanks for watching and supporting.